Unless you're lucky enough to outsource, laundry is one of those pesky tasks that never seems quite finished. But finding the best laundry detergent is a real game changer. To make your search easier, we tested 29 different laundry detergents. We tested each detergent for effectiveness, scent, ease of use, and value. In addition, we considered how each material felt after washing and drying, whether any stains remained. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 laundry detergents on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Tide Pods Laundry Detergent Soap Pods. Laundry pods are undeniably convenient, partly because no measurements, or mess, are required and partly because the container is lightweight, easy to lift, and clearly marked with directions in multiple places. You can also easily decant the small pods into any number of canisters, bowls, or boxes. This Tide option landed on our list of best laundry detergents because of the best-selling Spring Meadow scent. It's fresh, sweet, and not at all overpowering. It leaves clothes with just enough fragrance to make them smell extra clean. Beyond that, Tide Pods compared similarly to other top performers. All the tested items, except for a towel, were softer than before washing. Not unlike most of its competitors, all of the items we washed still had one or more stains visible to the naked eye, with the chocolate coming out the most. It is worth noting, however, that these pods include a general stain remover. Number 2. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets. So many of us are taking steps to become more eco-friendly, and finding the best laundry detergent that also reduces waste is an accessible way to do so. Instead of powder, pods, or liquid, this detergent comes in sheet form, making storage easier and more convenient. Are you traveling and not sure if your vacation rental will have detergent? Will you be staying in a camper or perhaps even a cramped apartment? Just throw a couple of these in your bag. The cardboard container is recyclable and biodegradable, automatically reducing your carbon footprint without any effort. On the container are directions outlining exactly how many sheets should be used based on the size of the load, plus descriptions of what each size load looks like so there's no confusion. It's common to use too much detergent. Let's hear it for taking out the guesswork. Scent, scented and unscented, number of loads, 60 loads. Number 3. Gain Laundry Detergent Liquid Soap Plus Aroma Boost. We'll cut to the chase in explaining how this made our list of best laundry detergents. In the words of one tester, the smell is phenomenal and the stain removing power was competitive. So much so that they're considering switching the detergent they've used throughout adulthood in favor of this one. Reminiscent of Wrigley's Juicy Fruit Gum, the scent is slightly sweet and fruity with nice florals mixed in. Ever the crowd pleaser, thanks to the aroma boost, you could still catch a good whiff of it after the materials were dry. Plus, all the items we tested came out clean, light, and fluffy, especially the towel, no residue or stiffness whatsoever. The linen and cotton textiles came out a bit wrinkled, but that's nothing out of the ordinary. When it came to stain removal sans pretreatment, the results were mixed, as they were for every detergent tested. Number 4. Gain Flings Laundry Detergent Soap Pods. If you like the sound of our Tide Pods review but prefer something with a little less scent, this is the best laundry detergent for you. Gain Flings ranked similarly when it came to stains, feel, and ease of use. Packaging for both was a small, lightweight plastic container. The price for Gain Flings was even a bit lower than Tide, coming in at 25 cents a load, the median cost for detergent overall, making it a good value. When the tested items came out of the dryer, each one still had at least one stain remaining, though they were all less visible than they were before. Overall, these pods performed equal to or better than the Tide Pods in our testing. In particular, Gain was able to get rid of more of the foundation stain, which was a struggle for almost all of the detergents we tested. Number 5. All Liquid Laundry Detergent. If you've ever put on freshly washed clothes only to end up covered in a rash, you know how important finding the best laundry detergent for sensitive skin is. This product's formula is tough on stains, significantly lightening each one we tested: oil, mud, foundation, grass, sauce, and some of the wine, if not removing the stain completely, chocolate and some of the wine. Along with the linen washcloth, the shirt was also a little wrinkly, which was a letdown but in no way a deal breaker. This hypoallergenic liquid formula is free of fragrance and dyes, but you'll notice a slight chemical scent if you smell the liquid detergent up close. Part of this has to do with the concentrated formula, which also makes the container lightweight and easy to pour. And, bonus, smaller containers are also easier to store, no unsightly jug sitting atop the washer. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.